Welcome back to the official channel, everyone. If you are returning to check out our latest updates, thank you for the continued support. And if you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Today, we are taking a deep dive into our flagship software, the Bypass Unlock tool, and explaining everything you need to know about how it works, why devices get locked, and why our software remains the most powerful solution on the market. Let's start with the basics. What actually is an iCloud activation lock, and why does an iPhone get locked in the first place? When you set up an Apple device, it links directly to your Apple ID through Apple's Find My network. This security feature is designed to protect your personal data. However, if a device is factory reset, updated, or erased without first signing out of that specific Apple account, the system automatically triggers the activation lock screen. This leaves the phone completely stuck on the setup screen, asking for credentials that you might no longer have access to, whether you forgot your password or purchased a pre-owned device. So, how does Bypass Unlock solve this issue? Our software bypasses these security barriers by communicating directly with our dedicated high-speed servers. Instead of relying on risky or outdated local hacks, Bypass Unlock creates a secure, optimized bridge between your device and our server network. It automatically handles signal parameters, activation tickets, and system checks in real time. This ensures a fast, stable, and seamless unlock experience that restores core functional access to your hardware without damaging the underlying system. Here is the exact step-by-step process to unlock your device using our software. Step 1. Serial registration. Head over to our official portal at bypassunlock.online. Select your device model, enter your serial number or IMEI, and complete your order to register your hardware on our server network. Step 2. Software launch. Download and install the Bypass Unlock desktop app on your computer. Open the application and ensure your internet connection is stable. Step 3. Device connection. Plug your locked iPhone into your computer using original or high-quality USB cable. The software will instantly detect your device, display its specs, and confirm server compatibility. Step 4. One-click activation. Simply click the Start Bypass or Activate button. Our server will process the request automatically. Within just a few minutes, your device will reboot straight to the home screen, ready to be configured as fresh. It really is that simple and efficient. Whether you are managing a single personal device or running a full repair service, Bypass Unlock provides the speed and reliability you need. Head over to bypassunlock.online right now to get started. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, drop your questions in the comments below, and join our official Telegram group for live support. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.